Hi, my name is Tammy, and you're watching Crafting with Tammy. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I have a company called CenDale who specializes in DTF products. They sent me a starter kit, and we're going to go ahead and unbox that in a few minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and try out the products, okay? So, without further ado, come on, let's get started. Okay, so here we have the little starter kit that they sent me in the mail, and we'll go ahead and get that open. It looks like we have some tape here, and also we have this CenDale DTF powder. This is a white medium powder, so we'll give that a try. And then we have the CenDale DTF transfer film. And I'll put a link below to their site. I do believe you can purchase their products off of Amazon. And these are A4 sheets. It's bright colors and clear prints, strong adhesion and scratch resistant, washable, non-cracking, no fading. It's compatible with Epson and all DTF printers. Now, I do not have a DTF printer. I have a sublimation printer. So this is going to be a sublimation hack that we're going to do today. And in honor of April being Autism Awareness Month, we're going to go ahead and do a t-shirt, a DTF hack t-shirt for autism awareness. And there's a little sticker up here that says print side. So I'm assuming that when you open it up, that the side that's face up is going to be your print side on that. Okay. So we have a pack of that. It's 30 sheets. And then there's a little DTF printing instructions. And so then on here, they just give you instructions on how to use their product. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do a t-shirt today with these products, and we'll see how it turns out. All right, stay tuned. Today we'll be using Microsoft Word, and the reason I chose Word today was because I'm not designing anything. I'm just really printing the SVG. So all I need to do is be able to size it, and I can do that in Word. So I'm going to go over here to Layout. And I'm going to change the orientation to landscape, and then I'm going to change my margins to narrow. And then my picture is on the desktop, so I'm going to hit Insert Picture on this device. And we'll go to the desktop. And I do believe it is this one. So we do have an autism ribbon with the little puzzle pieces. And then in the middle it says Support Squad. So I'm going to hit picture format because I do want to change the size of this. So I'm going to change it from here by advanced layout size by clicking those little button in the corner. And then I'm just going to change it to about, let's say, 8.5 by 8.5. And so it'll resize it. Okay, so there it is on the page. Now, because we're doing this, the sublimation printer, we do have to mirror our image. So we're going to go to hit File and Print. It is my EcoTank 2800 series. It's my sublimation printer. I'm going to go into Print Properties. And then we're going to go under More Options. And we're going to hit Mirror that image. And then I always go into Advanced Settings and I change my color controls. I change it to Adobe RGB. My brightness will be 9. My contrast will be 7. Saturation is 15. And the density will be 4. These are just what I find that works better. Everybody's printer is different, so you got to find out what works best for you. Okay, and so we have that done, so we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And then we're going to go ahead and print it. And then we're going to go ahead and put the DTF powder on the film and cure it. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so it has come off the printer and I'm going to place it in this container, and we're going to use the CenDale DTF powder. It's a white medium, and we're just going to sprinkle a little on here. And we're just going to roll it back and forth to the left and to the right. Left and right. Up and down. I'm going to tap it off. Any excess, I'm just going to give it a good look over. Make sure that all the areas have some powder on them. And then we're going to go ahead and use our heat gun. And we're going to go ahead and get this cured so that we can put it on the shirt. Okay. Okay guys, I've decided to make another one as well. We'll put this little saying, love needs no words. We're going to put this on a bag and see how that turns out as well. Okay, once again, this is CenDale DTF powder, and this is a white medium. Okay. Just back and forth, back and forth. Then we do a little up and down. Tap off that extra. Pull that out the way. And then we're going to go ahead and heat it. Okay, so we are back at the heat press, and we are going to go ahead and do our little bag, our little tote bag first. Just getting off any lint particles there. And I'm going to go ahead and press it for a few seconds just to get the moisture out and the wrinkles. And then I'm going to take the Love Needs No Words one that we have. I'm just going to cut off a little bit of the excess film that's on here. We don't really need all that. And then I'm going to just go ahead and center it in the middle of the bag. we're gonna go ahead and put our Teflon sheet on here. And then we're gonna press it for 40 seconds at 385 degrees. Stay tuned. Okay guys, it's been 40 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this, and then the instructions say it is a cold peel, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off of the heat press and set it over here to cool, and then next we're gonna go ahead and do the t-shirt. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we are back and it's time to do the t-shirt. So we are going to go ahead and take our lint roller and roll it to make sure there's nothing on the t-shirt. Then we're going to take it and press out the moisture and get some of those wrinkles out of there for a few seconds. Then I'm going to take my acrylic measuring plate and I'm going to put that up there. And then I'm going to take my image support squad, the little puzzle pieces, and we're going to place that on here, removing my acrylic block or measurer. I think I want it up just a little higher. I'm going to put down that silicone, or I keep saying silicone, guys, Teflon sheet. I tell you, your vocabulary gets messed up when you get ready to go do videos. And we're going to press it for 40 seconds. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, it is done. So we're going to remove that. And once again, it's a cold peel. So we're going to go ahead and take this off and let it cool off. And then we'll go for our reveal. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so we're back and we have let this cool. And so now what we're going to do is just slowly go ahead and peel off the transfer film. These DTF hacks, they are they're cool. It's neat that it does it. You can put it on any kind of fabric, but I guess it's because I'm using sublimation and not an actual DTF printer, I'm assuming. It's very hard to peel off. I just wish it was a little easier to peel off, but overall, it's good. It looks good. There we have our little bag. Love needs no words. And so for the final press, you need to go back to the heat press and you need to press this for a couple more seconds, maybe like 30 seconds, to just solidify it into the fabric, okay? So stay tuned. Okay guys, here we are to reveal our t-shirt that we had. And so we'll just go back and peel this off. And oh wow, it's much easier, I can definitely say that, with a t-shirt than it was with maybe it's the fabric that I use, because the canvas bag is a little bit heavier fabric. This is just a cotton t-shirt. But yeah, that looks really good. And once again, I'm going to go ahead and put it back on the heat press for a couple more seconds to solidify that in. All right. Okay, guys, so we are back and we have our sublimating DTF hack. And I must say, the t-shirt came out great. I mean, the colors are vibrant and it doesn't even feel like, you know, there's anything. It feels like it's been, you know, when you just sublimate on a t-shirt, how it just sinks into the fabric. I can't feel kind of like anything, any rough edges or anything on this shirt. The stretchability on it is really, really good. The colors are vibrant. And like I said, when I put it on and I did a cold peel, that sucker peeled off like butter. When I took the film off of it after it cooled off on there. And I am very, very happy and very pleased with this. How the t-shirt came out is just wonderful. The tote bag was so-so, and I don't blame it on the product. I probably blame it on the material that I've used. This is a canvas type tote bag, so it feels kind of like jeans, like denim jeans. It's that kind of material, but it's just a beige color. So, but I mean, it worked. It came out. It was just a little harder. It was very hard to peel off on there. And that could have been one of two things. That could have been user error. I could have put the paper in backwards and didn't have it on the right side, because this was night and day as far as the paper coming off. And I don't know if it was the fabric or if it was, you know, the film. I put the film in backwards on the printer. I don't even know if it would do right or even sublimate on here if the film wasn't on the right side. But anywho, those are my two theories. But I love this. This is beautiful. The colors are vibrant. I just love it. And so once again, this is a company called CenDale, and this is their DTF paper. And I'm pretty sure this probably works a lot better with a DTF printer, which just has the white backing on there, but I don't. I use the sublimation hack. But I'm pretty sure I would be interested if anyone purchase this who has a DTF printer to hit me up and let me know how this actually worked out with the DTF printer. And then we have the powder, and this was the brand that they sent me, was the medium powder there. Okay, and so I'll put a link down below for their site on Amazon, so you can purchase if you want. If you choose to purchase, I don't get any commission or anything off of that. They just saw a video that I did, a DTF hack, and asked me if I wouldn't mind trying their products. So sure, why not? But do me a favor, leave me a comment down below on what you think about this sublimation hack and these products here that we have. All right. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for continuing to support my channel. It's really much appreciated. Until we meet again next time. I always get this part mixed up. Do you ever know, get so tongue-tied when you're on the video film? It's just ridiculous. That's why I did a blooper thing. You'd be surprised at how many times I re-record and re-record on this. And I know I'm not the only one. But let's try this again. Until next time, guys, be blessed.